In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in CapCut. Whether you're creating a professional video project, editing a short clip for social media, or adding a personal touch to your content, properly aligning your text is essential. It ensures your visuals look clean, polished, and easy to follow. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about adjusting text alignment and positioning in CapCut. By the end, you'll have the confidence to achieve perfect text placement in all your video edits. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open the PC version of CapCut on your computer. Once it's up and running, take a look at your timeline. Click once on the text layer to select the text clip you'd like to adjust. This step is crucial because it ensures all the changes you make will be applied to the correct text element. It's easy to accidentally modify the wrong layer if you're not careful, so double check that you're working with the right one. Next, verify that the text box becomes active in the preview window. This is an important visual confirmation. If the text box doesn't appear selected, you might need to click on the layer again to activate it. Make sure you're interacting with the right clip to avoid making any changes to other elements in your project. Now, let's head over to the Details panel, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen once you're there. Ensure that you're in the Text tab, and specifically within the Basics subsection. If you don't see the text options right away, it's likely because the text clip wasn't selected properly, so just go back and make sure it's highlighted in your timeline. Once you're in the Basics subsection, locate the alignment options. These are part of the basic text formatting tools. You have 3 alignment choices here: left, center, and right alignment. Click the left alignment icon to align your text to the left, the center alignment icon to align your text to the center, or the right alignment icon to align it to the right. Remember, this step adjusts how the text sits within the text box itself, not the position of the text box on the screen. Now that you've set your alignment, it's time to adjust the position of the text box on your screen. Still in the Basic panel, find the X and Y axis sliders. These sliders let you move the text box horizontally and vertically. Sliding the X-axis will shift the text box left or right, while sliding the Y-axis will move it up or down. This gives you precise control over where the text appears within your video frame. If you want the text box to be perfectly centered, you can set both X and Y values to 0. This will place the text box exactly in the middle of the frame. Alternatively, you can manually drag the text box into position using the preview window. As you drag, CapCut will display center guidelines to help you align the text box visually. This is a quick and intuitive method to ensure your text is perfectly centered without having to adjust the sliders. If you prefer pixel-perfect precision though, setting the X and Y sliders to 0 is still the best option. This guarantees the text box is anchored right in the middle of your video frame. Finally, take a moment to review your alignment and positioning. Use the preview window to ensure the text appears exactly as you want it. Double-check both the alignment inside the text box and the overall placement on the screen. This last step is key to making sure your text looks polished and professional. And that's how you align text in CapCut. Now you know how to adjust text alignment, position your text using X and Y sliders, and even manually center it using visual guides. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.